The wool cotton comes from fields all over the world. The length of the cotton fibers determines the toughness of the denim fabric. However, the length of the fibers is different from one bale to another. So, to ensure consistent quality, the cotton is blended. A layer is scraped off each bale and drawn into the mixer. Here, all impurities such as seeds and weeds are filtered out. The pure blended cotton fibers are then combed and pulled into a thick rope called a sliver. Now the cotton is clean and consistent, but not very strong. 6 cotton slivers are stretched and combined, creating one stronger yet slimmer sliver. This sliver is then pulled and twisted into a strong thread. For stretch denim, elastane, which is a kind of rubber, is twisted into the thread, creating a thread with stretching ability. The threads are collected on large barrels to prepare it for dyeing. Most jeans is colored in the characteristic blue indigo color. Indigo is among the oldest dyes used for textile dyeing and originates from the indigofera plant. The threads are dipped in large tubs with indigo color and pulled up in the air on large drums. When the indigo reacts with the oxygen, it turns blue. The threads are dipped repeatedly until the cotton threads has an intense dark blue color. The color creates a coating around the thread. The thread is still white inside, giving denim its characteristic faded white look when worn. If you look closely at your own pair of jeans, you can see the twill pattern of blue and white threads. The blue threads, called the warp, is pulled up and down on the loom, and the white thread, called the weft, is shot back and forth from the entire length of the loom, creating the denim pattern. The most common weave is a 3x1, meaning that 3 warp threads are visible for every weft thread. That is why the weft is more visible on the backside of the fabric. Another type of weaving is selvage, used in our RDD collection. Selvage denim is made the original way on old shuttle looms dating back to the 1950s. Production speed is much slower than modern looms, reducing the tension on the yarn, creating a softer feel and a more durable fabric. These old looms requires more skilled workers and is only produced in Japan and Italy because of their long tradition in jeans manufacturing. To prevent the fabric from twisting after it's sewn into jeans, it's softened and stretched. The denim is also heated and shrunk to make sure the jeans stay the same size after it's sold. Before the denim leave the fabric mill, it undergoes a strict quality control. Here, any defects or variations of color in the fabric is detected. A consistent, quality denim is necessary to ensure the Jack & Jones quality in jeans.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.